Hi, fellow natural dyer. Thank you so much for trusting me with the opportunity to show you how to dye cellulose fabric with natural colors. My name is Laura Estrada. I'm a fashion designer and natural dyer. And it makes me extremely happy to teach you how to dye with botanical colors. I believe it's a beautiful art and heritage that needs to be continued. In this online workshop, you're going to learn what is a natural dye, and then we're going to get deep into the process of natural dye, which means the preparation of the fabric, mordanting the fabric, extracting the color, dyeing the fabric, and then I'm going to give you some tips and advice of how to take care of your natural dye fabric. So go ahead and continue into the first lesson.